Hello guys, I'm Shahid and today in this video I will show you how to speed up and slow down your video, and after that I will show you how to attach and detach an audio. So let's start our video. First I will open Filmora X software. I will drop down my video to thumbnail, and then we will show you what is the speed of my video. So if you want to increase your video speed, I will show you. First right click on video. Here you see speed and duration, click on it, and then you see this. This 1.00 is the default speed of a video. If you want to increase double, you can write here 2.00. And then press OK. And now I will show you if speed is increased or not. And now if you want to increase 3 times speed, go there and change the value to 3.00. Now you see the speed will be increased by 3 times. Now if you want to decrease the speed of video, the procedure is same, but you have to select the value to 0.5 if you want to half of speed. Then we'll show you if speed is decreased or not. Then if you want to decrease more speed, then the value will be 0.2 or 0.1 according to your need. So you see how to increase or decrease a video speed. Now I will show you how to attach or detach an audio. I will delete this. Now I will drop down a video to thumbnail. Now if you want to detach an audio, press right click and here you see detach audio. Click on it and the audio will be detached. If you want to delete this, right click on it and delete, and the audio will be deleted. Now if you want to attach an audio, import the audio that you want to set. First I will import that I want to set. After import, I will drop it down to thumbnail and the audio will attach it.
like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for.
So now we have learned how to speed up and slow down your video and how to add and remove an audio. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like this, and if you want to learn Filmora X or other softwares, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any of my update.